Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find product ID in Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various items over here. So what you have to do is simply find the item that you want to see the ID of. If you do not see the item over here, you can simply search for it. For that, tap on the search bar. After that, you'll be able to search for the item. Now tap on the item of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular item will be opened. You'll be able to see various informations over here. In order to find its ID, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the details section. Tap on this option view more that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the description of this item over here. At last you'll be able to find the item ID. You can see the item ID over here. If you tap on it, it will be copied. So this is basically your product ID. So that is how you find product ID on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.